Established in 1993, Grand Jet Fame Metalwork Manufactory has quickly built an exceptional reputation for delivering outstanding levels of excellence and service. We have quality assurance as we meet the BSCI Group's requirements of suppliers' facilities. Our safe, sustainable, and eco-friendly environment are also verified by SGS Group. Besides, we are guaranteed to operate ethically and responsibly. With 20 years of steady development, our company has become one of the top metal manufacturers. In 2008, we invested our new factory, which has been expanded to be 30,000 square meters, with automated machines and a professional production team. Nowadays there are one-stop production, development of mold, 5 production lines, painting lines, and packing lines. As a professional manufacturer with years of experiences in metalwork industry, and over 20,000 mold devices of different sizes, all standard and custom metal products are available at present. Additionally, facilities and environment have consistently enhanced our metalwork capabilities. We promise to provide comprehensive services for our clients within both commercial and industrial sectors. Our products include various flower planters, watering cans, ice buckets, ash buckets, candle containers, trash cans, pet feeders, and so on. With reasonable prices and novel styles, our products are supported by overseas customers greatly, such as Europe, North America, Australia, Japan, Southeast Asia, etc. Our mission is to provide the best feasible outcomes for our customers with the most competitive designs and price. Welcome to inquire and visit whenever and wherever.